Hello, howdy, welcome back to my channel. Here I am in a lovely environment right now. It feels very good and I can feel the oxygen. So I will show you some solutions for a technical problem, and I think it will help you. And if it does, please consider subscribing to my channel and support me like that. See you. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribe my channel. You can comment down below as well. It will help me a lot. Bye.